Plywood sanding machine has light type and heavy type. Can be 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads. Can calibrating thickness accurate and polishing surface bright and smooth. Hot press has 500 ton, 600 ton, 800 ton, 1000 ton, 1200 ton, 10 layer, 12 layers, 15 layers, 20 layers, etc. Cold press max opening can be 1800 mm. Pressure can be 400 ton, 500 ton, 600 ton. Glue spreader has 4 feet and 8 feet. Single side and double sides. Plywood veneer paving line can be 18 meter, 24 meter, 30 meter, 36 meter. Plywood saw machine can be 4 by 8 feet, 3 by 6 feet, or customized. Controlled by infrared ray. High efficiency.
Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine. 2 years warranty. Professional technical team at your service anytime. And hope that build a good and long-time cooperation.